It's from my parents because I am full fasting in this Ramadan. Now let's open it. You need to be careful. If you're little, just ask your parents. Cut it. This one is from FurReal. The name is Flitter cat. It can eat a donut. And it has wings. I thought it was a blanket for her, but it wasn't. It was wings. We already opened this toy and we got one animal but two type of animals. You see in the box, there's two animals. There's different type. There's a cat one and the unicorn one. And then why didn't I buy the unicorn one? Because there's too many unicorns in my bedroom. Then here is how you play it. Now I will show you the manual book. If you push the back body 3 times, you will be angry. See? And if you push the mouth 3 times, it will be hungry. And then if you push 5 times, it will be happy. And then if you lay it down, it will be sleepy. But it's very long time to sleep. Don't hold it like the wing because it'll broke, but just put it on your hand like this. And don't like do this because the wing will broke. Then there's a battery back here or here. And then there's a button back her body. You can do like this. Push it. See? And she'll shine her eyes. And then you can feed her with this donut. And then she'll talk to her mouth. Now let's open the donut. Ooh, it's so tiny. Now let's put it on her mouth. Wow, I really like it. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. I like this toy. I'll promise to be a nicer girl and be a better girl. Goodbye.